How to backup all of your WhatsApp chats or messages. At first, tap on these three dots at the top right corner. Now go to the settings, then select chat option, and at the bottom open the chat backup option. Now firstly you have to select your Google account in which you want your WhatsApp message to be backup, and in the automatic backup option you can customize whether you want your WhatsApp message to be backup on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, and then turn on this option if you want to back up your video as well. Now once everything is done, tap on this backup option and it will back up all of your WhatsApp chats and media to your selected Google account. Now to restore WhatsApp chats, tap on agree and continue and verify your phone number. Once you verify, it will automatically look for backups. If there are any ones found, just tap on the restore button and all of your WhatsApp chats and media will be restored. Now if you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe.